Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here with a little quick fun video for you. When you are looking at knives online in pictures, make sure that you check the specifications before you order, or you will have a surprise like me and other people online, because when we ordered this knife, all of us thought it was a larger knife, and we just ordered it without checking the specifications. And that knife is the Columbia River CRKT Persian Folder. I was expecting a much larger knife, and as you see, although a handsome little knife, she is a pipsqueak. I was looking for something more of a handful, right? Okay. Sculpted G10, beautiful little blade. Make sure when you order this knife, it is what you actually want, and check out the specifications, alright? A lot of us guys on YouTube bought this knife, and when we opened it up, we went, whoa, that is a lot smaller than what I thought it was. Now, the maker and collaborator with Boker for this knife, he lives in Florida and says it is for lightweight material clothing. I'm thinking Florida, lightweight materials. I'm thinking about a pool party, guys. So, we have a 2-ounce knife, titanium VG10 on this blade. VG10, this is a 3.5-inch blade, guys. Alright, VG10, 3.5-inch blade will not spoil the lines of your lightweight clothing. And you know, if you're at a pool party and it goes south, well, you won't be the last person cut there. And if a few bikini knots get all tied up, you can definitely come to the ladies' aid. There you go, the perfect knife for the pool. And it does flip, but I cut my fingernails and it just won't do it for me now. So here you go, guys, the Boker Urban Trapper by Brad Zinker. The perfect knife for pool parties. Like I said, it was going to be quick. There you go. Truman 5000 is out.